Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to show you how to repair this bracelet. So let's start the video. Now as you can see, the bracelet is broken and is in two parts. So the process is going to be very simple. We just need to solder the broken part. Now let's start the soldering process. We just need to be very careful as excess heat might damage the jewelry. So please be very careful. So here it is, the process is complete, here as you can see. So that's it in today's video. I hope you like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.